Hello friends, thank you for checking my new video. Perhaps, as in any big family, the kitchen requires daily attention. And when you have guests visiting, especially for a few days, there isn't much time left for your normal cleaning routine. That's what happened in my case. But I have good news. You can manage any chaos for much less time than you think. So today I'm going to clean up my kitchen, which should take me 15 to 20 minutes top. Our bar is just a magnet for all sorts of things that shouldn't be there. And a few other spots in the kitchen have the same problem. That's why I always start cleaning by grabbing this plastic container where I put all the things that need to be moved back to their designated places. And it doesn't take much time at all. Next, I go all over the kitchen and put away the items that belong here. After the kitchen is free of external stuff, it's time to do the actual cleaning. We just had breakfast, so there is a lot of dirty dishes. All I have to do is to move them to the dishwasher. Now I can collect all the plastic placemats and take them to the sink for cleaning. And as I'm doing that, I wipe down the table, the chairs and the booth. Usually it doesn't take long if I spot all the mess my kids made on time. The most problematic area in my kitchen is the floor under the table after each meal, especially if my 3-year-old daughter was here. It can be easily fixed either with a regular dustpan set or a more convenient option, a wireless vacuum cleaner. I use a vacuum cleaner every time to clean up all the mess under the table. It's pretty handy and I don't have to deal with electric cords and heavy vacuum cleaners. Lastly, we can clean up the kitchen itself by wiping all the surfaces. I prefer using plastic placemats instead of the cloth ones. They are easily washable and your table looks neat again within few minutes. Finally, my kitchen is spotless again. All the cleaning took me around 15 to 20 minutes, so now I can have a cup of freshly brewed tea while reading all your comments and Instagram messages. Bye bye and see you soon on my channel!